Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone they are having the most beautiful day, just like Makay, just like Mrs. Mseleku, number 3, Uma Khumalo. I hope everyone is enjoying their day, guys. Can you see how glowing Uma Khumalo is looking like, guys? Can you see how beautiful she's looking like, guys? You can see now she is definitely showing off her hairline after she was busy fixing her hairline. So let's see how does her hairline look like now, because she had said upana, hey guys, I am dealing with dengue babs, meaning upana, once your hairline is gone, it's very difficult to make sure you maintain it. So she was doing a surgery to get her hairline back. So very soon she's just going to be showing us how beautiful she looks with her new hairline. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.